Video 1.2 The AWS CCP Exam. In this video, we will cover the following topics: Introduction to AWS CCP Exam, areas in which exam validates the candidate, course syllabus outline, response types, time allotted, and number of questions in the exam results, how to apply for writing the exam. The Amazon Web Services Certified Cloud Practitioner or AWS CCP examination is intended for individuals who have the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively demonstrate an overall understanding of the AWS cloud. The exam can be taken at a testing center or from the comfort and convenience of a home or office location as an online proctored exam. Becoming an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a recommended optional step towards achieving an associate level or specialty certification. The exam validates an examinee's ability to define what the AWS cloud is and the basic global infrastructure, describe basic AWS cloud architectural principles, describe the AWS cloud value proposition, describe key services on the AWS platform and their common use cases, describe basic security and compliance aspects of the AWS platform and the shared security model, define the billing, account management, and pricing models, identify sources of documentation or technical assistance, describe basic or core characteristics of deploying and operating in the AWS cloud. Content outline. The table here lists the main content domains and their weightings. Domain 1. Cloud Concepts. 1.1. Define the AWS cloud and its value proposition. 1.2. Identify aspects of AWS cloud economics. 1.3. List the different cloud architecture design principles. Domain 2. Security. 2.1. Define the AWS shared responsibility model. 2.2. Define AWS cloud security and compliance concepts. 2.3. Identify AWS access management capabilities. 2.4. Identify resources for security support. Domain 3. Technology. 3.1. Define methods of deploying and operating in the AWS cloud. 3.2. Define the AWS global infrastructure. 3.3. Identify the core AWS services. 3.4. Identify resources for technology support. Domain 4. Billing and pricing. 4.1. Compare and contrast the various pricing models for AWS. 4.2. Recognize the various account structures in relation to AWS billing and pricing. 4.3. Identify resources available for billing support. Response types. There are two types of questions on the examination. Multiple choice has 1 correct response and 3 incorrect responses. Multiple response has 2 or more correct responses out of 5 or more options. Select 1 or more responses that best complete the statement or answer the question. Unanswered questions are scored as incorrect. There is no penalty for guessing. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner examination is a pass or fail exam with at most 65 questions. Duration for the exam is 90 minutes and costs $100. Your results for the examination are reported as a scaled score from 100 through 1000 with a minimum passing score of 700. Your score shows how you performed in the examination as a whole and whether or not you passed. Scaled scoring models are used to equate scores across multiple exam forms that may have slightly different difficulty levels. To register for the exam, sign in to aws.training and click Certification in the top navigation. Next, click the AWS Certification Account button, followed by Schedule New Exam. Find the exam you wish to take and click either the Schedule at PSI or Schedule at Pearson VUE button. You will then be redirected to the test delivery provider's scheduling page, where you will complete your exam registration. For more information on registering for the exam, check out the link provided in the resource section of this video. Summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics: Introduction to AWS CCP Exam, areas in which exam validates the candidate, course syllabus outline, response types, time allotted and number of questions in the exam results, how to apply for writing the exam. Section Summary. In this section, we have covered the following topics: Introduction to the course, the AWS CCP exam. In the next section, we will learn about the basics of AWS Cloud.